Okay, I'm finally upgrading from this 6.5 years old laptop to this water-cooled PC, and it just occurred to me that I'm moving from the slowest ever Intel i7 CPU in this laptop, which is the i7-7700K. It's the slowest ever i7 CPU that Intel produced, and the new one, on the other hand, will be powered by the 7700K, which is the fastest quad-core i7 CPU on the market at the time this video is made. So, interesting times ahead. I will try to put another video together once everything is constructed. There I've got my digital PSU unit. What else have I got? Lots of exciting stuff. PCIe based NVMe drive. This is the fastest M.2 PCIe based SSD in the world. And in terms of cost, this laptop costs about 2.5 grand, just under 2.5 grand by the time everything is added up. And this PC here currently costs me just under £3,000, but there isn't a GPU in there. There isn't a discrete GPU. So for the moment, I will be running this rig on just the integrated HD 630 GPU, which is good enough to play some games in the meantime. And I've also got a temporary monitor here, which is a designer monitor rather than a gaming one. And here's my CPU water block and the pump. Alright,